First, we make an A, make a turn 90 degrees, and then we make a D going up one step, then close it. Repeat the same action, making an A, turns 90 degrees, and then make a D going up one step, close it, and here we can close it again. We do the same thing again, making an A and then a D, before going to the next move, we close the first one and then making an A again, a D, close it, close it, repeat an A and a D, close, close, an A again, sorry, here I have to close this one, an A again, and then a D, close, close. So we can repeat again and again, and the structure goes on like a spiral, a helix, like a spiral staircase. So the blue is like a helix going up and up, and the white one is also a helix going up and up. So the two helix lock together, so it's a double helix structure. You can go on to make a long tube.